Hi and welcome to the series. Today you're going to be learning about, and I'm going to show you how it looks as a small plant. My garden is about 6-7 months old, and so I've been growing things from seed, from cuttings, and from plants that I brought at the shop. And yeah, just seeing how it grows. So let's get started and get on with the tour. Okay, so welcome to today. Today we've got some oregano, and I've had this plant. I brought this as a plant. It was, I guess if you see, these weren't here, so it's kind of grown a bit since I've had it. It's kind of taking a while to acclimatize, and I think what that is that it needs a bit more shade. This particular spot gets about 4-5 hours direct sunlight as the sun passes overhead, but I'm kind of keeping it there to see how it gets on. I've got another cutting that I took from this, hoping to spread it around, and it's under a tree, and it seems the leaves are a lot deeper in green, so where you can see these leaves under here, it's a lot greener. It's got a really lovely feel. It feels like, you know, one of those soft blankets that you get, I don't know what kind of material it is, but it's like those thick throws that you can get, and they're really soft. That is how the leaves feel, and when you touch them, oh, you get a beautiful aroma. So this is oregano. This is the cutting I took from the oregano, and it's actually grown a lot bigger. It's grown a lot bigger in the space of time since I took the cutting. The leaves are slightly bigger. And it looks really happy. It's under the mahogany tree, but it looks really happy, so I'm going to leave it there for now. But it's interesting to be able to see how the plants respond in different environments and where they feel happy. So it's worthwhile, you know, taking a cutting if you can and putting it in a totally different environment, just to see where they thrive better. So this may be the spot for the larger plant that you saw earlier. Anyway, so thanks for watching today and seeing this plant. But yeah, this is oregano.